everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. And today we're going to be making a wedding card because my niece is getting married in a couple of weeks, so I needed to make one for her. So I thought, why not just turn on the camera and let's put this card together. So the products that I'm going to be using to make this card, I'm using the Textures by Lou Collins, and this is the bold floral background embossing folder. I'm also using Tonic Studios cardstock, and this is called Sea Salt Green. Then I cut a few SVG files off my Cricut, but this one here, this frame, I actually got this from CraftStash. So all the products that I'm using today I will link down below, even the SVG from CraftStash. So I cut that out on my Cricut and then I just layered some green card behind that. Then I went onto my design space and cut out this frame. I cut it out in white and the green, so then I could layer them together and just have that white peeking through. I also got this sentiment off design space, and then I've just got some flowers that I've punched out and added some pearls onto that. I do also want to add my niece's name and her partner's name there with the date of the wedding at the bottom here, but I haven't done that yet, so I will do that later. So now I've told you what supplies I'm using, we're going to put this card together. I'm also using a bought card base from the range. This is a 6x6 card. I'm just going to fold on that score line. So I think I'm going to have this as a top folding card. Then I've embossed some white card with the embossing folder, and this measures 5 3/8 of an inch by 5 3/8, and that's just going to get stuck on there. And then I'm going to add the frame on top, and again this frame is also cut to 5 3/8 by 5 3/8. So I'm going to add this piece first with some glue. So I'm just using my liquid glue. Okay, and then I'm going to get my frame, and I've added some strips of foam tape to the back, so I'm going to peel this backing off, place that over the top of that embossed piece like so, and just press that down. There we go. So now what I want to do is I want to add this, and I'm just going to add this with some liquid glue. Okay, then I'm going to get my sentiment. So this says the next chapter of their story begins, and I've added some foam tape to the back of that one, and I'm going to place that in the center of that frame. There we go. And then I'm just going to add my flowers. There we go. So I'm going to just go and get my Cricut to write up the names, and then I'm going to add that, and then I will come back and show you the finished card. And there we go. So I've just added their names and the date of the wedding, and I have just added a bit of sparkle as well as some white pearls, because I just think it needed that extra something. And I think this turned out really nice, and it just stands up perfectly as well. And yeah, I absolutely love that, and I hope that you enjoyed this video of me putting my niece's wedding card together. If so, give it a big thumbs up, and please continue to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button. Until next time guys, take care, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.